Want to create time-saving shortcuts on your iPhone? In this quick guide, I'll show you how to set them up step by step. Start by opening the Shortcuts app on your iPhone. If you don't see it, you can download it from the App Store. It's free. On the main screen, tap the plus icon in the top right corner to create a new shortcut. Then, tap Add Action. From here, you can choose what you want the shortcut to do, like sending a text, opening an app, or even turning on Wi-Fi. For example, let's say you want a shortcut that instantly texts your location. You'd search for Send Message, type your message, and add current location as the input. When you're done, give your shortcut a name. You can even add it to your home screen for one-tap access. And that's it. You've just created your first shortcut on iPhone to save time and make daily tasks easier. If this video helped, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tips and tutorials.